Hello guys and welcome to this training. In this training we'll be adding headers and footer block for free version of Elementor. And if you got the pro version, I would request you to watch the previous video because the previous video is with the pro version and the free version is slightly different, which has various other steps to do with step-by-step guide, which takes little longer. Now, if you haven't watched the previous video, which we created menu, categories and logo, I request you to do that first before you jump into creating your header and footer blocks. Now, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss all the quality videos I upload, and also hit that bell notification so you don't miss it when I upload my new videos. So let's move on straight away into the training. So first things first, guys, we're going to go into our dashboard. Once we open our dashboard, if you have watched the previous video, we started by adding plugins. So if you go to plugins and then add new, and then here type in Elementor header and footer. So as you can see here, I've already got this. So just click install and activate. So once you've done that, guys, we need to add some menus and logos. Now to do that, we need to go back into visit site and then go into customize. So once you've gone into customize, we need to check our site identity. So make sure you got your name, your tagline, and then we're gonna go and select a logo. You need to select a logo. If you haven't watched my previous video, I have shown how to create a free logo step-by-step guide. You can get a logo just under 5 minutes. So watch the previous video and get yourself a logo done. Once you've got your logo, select your logo and click select, skip cropping. So once you've selected your logo, you added your title and then just hit publish. Once you hit publish, go back. We're going to go into menus. Now I've already created menus, guys. In previous video, I've shown how to create menus and everything. You will open with this page with the menu. Then you can just go ahead and add whatever you want in these categories. So for example, we got home, we got some products, privacy policy, contact us, join us. Everything is shown in previous video. Just go ahead and check that. I'm going to show you how to interlink some of these custom links so you can click contact us and it takes you straight away in the same page where they can add their details. So once you're done with that, guys, just go and hit publish. So once you hit publish and then hit X, and then we're going to go into our dashboard. Now we're going to go and create a header. So go into appearance and then go into Elementor header and footer builder. Once you open with this menu, just go and click add new. Once you come up with this menu, just go and skip this menu. So once you open with this menu, just give a name for your header. So I will say a home page or home. Then select the template type, which will be header. Then where you want to display your header, choose entire site or entire website, because I'm going to show you how you can eliminate by showing on individual pages. I will show you that later on, but at the moment just click entire website, and then who can see this header, just select all. Once you're done with that, you hit publish, edit with Elementor. Now, as you can see over here, we got a blank page here. If you have the pro version, you can just click onto this folder and go into blocks and then choose categories and then choose header. As you can see, all these headers is for pro version. So we're going to create from scratch everything because we don't have a pro version. So first of all, we're going to choose a section. Go ahead and click on this add new section. And choose what type of section you want, how many spaces you want, how many blocks you want. So you can create a multiple block section or this one or that one. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. As you can see now on top here, we got 3 sections here. Now, if you want to change the structure, you can change the structure by going down here and then choosing whichever the structure you want. You can go ahead and space differently, or you can choose this one here. So once you're happy with that, just go, you can either hit publish to save your work or carry on with next step. So first step, we're gonna insert a logo. Just go ahead and click in this icon. Once you click this icon, type in here logo, site logo HFB, click on this, drag and drop in here. Now as you can see, your site logo appears here. Now if you want to change this icon here, or you got a photo or anything you want to change to, you just go onto custom image and then choose your image, and then choose an image whatever you want in your library. I'm gonna take this off as I've already got my custom logo. To resize this logo, you can hit style, and then in width you can drag this to whatever the number you like this to be, about 60 or 50, wherever you want this to be. And once you're happy with that, you can go and hit publish, or you can save the work. And then we're gonna go and carry on with next step. Click in this icon and we're gonna add menus. So type in menus. So we're gonna grab this navigation menu which says HFB. We're gonna drag and drop in here. Now as you can see, we have home, products, privacy policy, contact us and join us, which we have created a menu in our website. If you want to change the location where this has been placed, you can go into content and then go into alignment, and you can choose centered, or towards the right, or towards the left, or spaced out. I'm going to choose center. You want to bring this slightly lower, or you want to keep this as same height, you can choose this and crop this to keep it at the same level. Or if you want this to bring slightly lower, you can go into style and then vertical padding, and then you can open this box to about 30, and that will drop down to same level as your logo. If you want to customize these, or if you want to put a line underneath, what you can do is you can go into the same main menu in style and then go into link hover effect. You can choose different hovers over here. You can check underline, overline, double line. You can just check all of them and see which one you like. I'm just going to go with underline. I'll show you how that looks like. As you can see, it shows lines at the bottom of these menus. And then after that, you can change the animation, which is the faded animation. You can do slide, you can grow, drop in, drop out, or none. Anything you can choose. I'll keep that on fade. And then last, if you want to change your background color in here, or if you want to choose a full background color, I will show you in a minute. If you want to choose a particular color in here, or in here, or in here, in a different colors, you can even do that, which is background color. And then if you want to change your text colors, you can choose here by choosing this and choose whatever the color you want. I'm going to keep it gray as I like this color. Now moving on to next step, guys. In this section here, you can add whatever you want. You can add your social media, you can add a button, you can add a quick icon, or you can add some text. I'm going to show you how you can add a button. So drag this button here and then drop it in this section. Now you can center the button position by alignment and then center. Now you can choose any text you want in this section. You can even say sign up. I'm going to show you how you can create a sign up form in a footer section, and I will show you how you can link this link in the same page right at the bottom. So if someone clicks here, it takes right at the bottom of the page where there is sign up section. Now moving on into style, you can change the text family group. You can change the size of the text by moving up and down. Now, if you want if you've made a mistake and you want to go back, instead of just pressing on history, you can just press Control and Z. You can change the weight, you can transform, you can do various different things. So go ahead and play around with it. You can also keep it to normal or hover. When you press hover and then hover animation, you can grow, shrink, pause. I'm going to keep on grow. So if someone hover on top, it grows slightly. You can change the text color, the background type. Now if you want to, you can change the color of the button. You can choose any color you want. So I'm going to keep it green. Now border radius, you can change the shape of this square looking button to sort of rounded shape by just increasing this number about 10, 15, about 10. So you can change the shape of this button. If you want to bring it slightly lower, because you can see it's slightly higher. So if you go into advanced and then in margin, you can just increase the number and it will drop down to where you want it. About 16 to 17, and it will come right in the middle of this menu. Now once you're happy with that, guys, just go and hit publish. Now if you want to change the background color here, guys, go and hit these 6 dots, go into style, go into background overlay, and then choose color. Now you can choose whatever color you want here, guys. On this side, you can choose the shades, and you can, on the bottom side, you can choose how light the shade you want or how strong the shade you want. So faded and darker. Whatever the fade you want, guys. Keep it as simple as possible. Keep it same as your homepage, guys. So keep the same sort of color theme that you're going for. Maybe like a darker color or something like this color here. Keep it simple, guys. If you don't like any color, if you just want to keep it white as possible, just go and hit clear and it will go back into no color position. Once you've done with it, once you've played around with it, however you want to do, just go and hit update. And the last thing you need to do, guys, is you need to check your responsive mode, which is your mobile mode. So you got your desktop, you got your tablet, and you got your mobile. So if you click on mobile, as you can see, it's too big, it's too large. We need to change everything here. So if you click onto this icon here, and then you go into style. So guys, if you change anything here, it stays for mobile. If you change anything for tablet, it stays for tablet. And if you change anything for desktop, the settings stays for desktop. Okay, so now for mobile phone, we change this logo to a smaller size, about 20, 25. And then the menu section here, as you can see, you can only see the icon, which if you click on this one and then go into layout and then alignment, you can choose left or you can choose centered. I'll keep it centered. So when people click, home, product, privacy, policy comes in line. If you want to change the menu icon here, you can even change the icon here by just going on icon library. And you got loads of different icon library here you can choose from. So I'll just keep it as, because that looks like a menu icon. So I'm going to keep it as it is. You can even just completely take that out by clicking on this. And then you're going into advanced. You're going into responsive. And then you can say hide on mobile phones. So it will be taken out on mobile phone if you don't like that to be on mobile phone. Or you can even do that on desktop or tablet and keep it on mobile phone. You can do in the responsive in advanced section of this mode. Once you're done with it, guys, you can do the same settings for tablet and for desktop as we have just done the desktop version. And once you're done with that, click update. And then you need to go back into exit to dashboard. We're going to go into our pages. Now go into your home page and edit with Elementor. As you can see guys, the header is not appeared over here. You can't see your header. And if you go into your link, your business.com, as you can see over here, the link doesn't appear. There is a slight changes you need to do on your settings. So you need to go into your settings, and where it says Elementor Canvas, you need to change it into Elementor Full Width, because in Elementor Canvas there is no header, no footer, just Elementor. But if you change it into Elementor Full Width, you can have your header, content and footer. As you can see guys, you've got your header here. We just created our header and it's just appeared on top. Now we have our social medias and everything over here. We can take them off by just by pressing the delete button, and then just go and click update. If you don't want your headers and footers to appear on certain page, so all you have to do is go into settings and click into Elementor Canvas. Now we're gonna go and check our page by refreshing the page. Now as you can see guys, we got our logo, our menu, home, products, privacy policy, contact us, join us, sign up buttons here. As you can see, we just created our header. Now we're gonna go and create footer block. Now we're gonna go and exit this dashboard, go into appearance, Elementor header and footer block, and then we're gonna create add new. We're gonna name this footer home, and then we're gonna select the option which is footer, display on entire website, select all. And once you're done with that guys, just go and hit publish. Once you hit publish, go and edit with Elementor. Alright guys, once the Elementor is open, as you know, with the pro version you can just select this folder, go into blocks, and then choose category and choose footer. There is plenty of pro versions you can choose which is pre-made for you, and you can just select them and insert. But because we don't have the pro version, I'm gonna customize this completely from scratch. So we're gonna go ahead and click this add new section. So you can choose whatever sections you want guys, however you want. I'm gonna go ahead with this one here. Now guys, if you want to change the structure, you can change the structure here if you want to. We have got these structures here, so you can change here. Now in this section we want to put about us. In this section we want to put our quick links or navigation, and in this section we're gonna put our contact us sort of details. So we're gonna click in this first icon here. We're gonna put headings, and we're gonna call this about us. Now if you want to change this text guys, you can change this color by going in style, color, and then black. Now if you want to add some text underneath this about us, you can't click here, so you just go ahead and click on this icon and then text editor, click and drag just underneath about us. So add whatever you want to add about you, a short description over here. We still got the privacy policy and everything linked in our menu, so that would be your main site. But you can just add who you are, what sort of products you publish here, and just a brief sort of information about a short brief information about you. You can just click in here and add your text. So once you've done that guys, we can add social media icons over here. So if you go and click this icon and you can type in a social, click this icon, drag and then place it underneath. As I've shown you guys before, you can put these links in here by just clicking them. You can go add new item, and You can change this icon by going in here. You can add your WhatsApp. You can put your Instagram here and then click and insert. So you will add your Instagram and then put your Instagram link in here. You can, if you don't like Twitter, you can take that out by just clicking on X. If you want to change the shape, you can do square shape. You can do circular shape. I like that circle shape. You can change the alignment by going left, center, and right. I'll leave it on left position. Now we're gonna add some quick menus here, like quick links or custom navigation or anything like that. Just click on this in this section, drag your heading and just drop it in here. Type your quick menu or quick links. You can change your color by going in style and then text color, choose black. And then to add your menus here, just click over here and then type in here menu. So drag and drop underneath this quick links. Now, as you can see here, your menu just dropped underneath. If you don't like this sort of how it's shown you, you can change the position of these links over here. So if you go into layout, you're in content and then layout, then you choose your layout to horizontal to vertical. Now, as you can see, it's nice and vertical. Drop down menu. You can center this position. I will keep that on left. Now, once you're happy with that, guys, we're gonna go and add a contact us form. So if you go and click in this section here, add headings. We're gonna type in here contact us. We change the color to black, and then we're gonna add contact us form. And we're gonna search for list and then click this and drag the bottom of contact us. Now, as you can see over here, guys, you can add your multiple lists here, and then you can choose this section. You can choose the icon, whichever the icon you want, guys. You can put your phone icon over here. You can choose address. You got loads of icons here, guys. So if you search for phone, and then you can choose any of these icons over here. I'm gonna go for this one here and then insert. So the first list is phone list. Then you can choose a address or location. So type in location. So you can choose a location list. So click on that and insert. And then last one, you can choose maybe an email list. Look for an icon which says email. So type in mail. There you go. You can choose this mail, insert. So you got your, so you can click in here and then you can type in whatever the number you have, or you can put your link, a WhatsApp link, which if someone clicks that link goes straight into your WhatsApp. Or even if you want to, let's have a look. If you got a WhatsApp, here you go. You got a WhatsApp icon here. You can choose a WhatsApp icon. If you have the number, you can type your number here. And then if you have the link, you can put a link. So anyone clicks this link goes directly into their WhatsApp. Now, if you haven't got the location, you don't have to put a location, just put anything else you want. If you do have a location, you can add your location here. Just click on this and then type in whatever the location, 234 D Road, whatever the location you have, you can type in there. And then if you have an email address, you can type in your email address here, or you can put your company name here. I'm going to put QLL, and then you can just add your hyperlink or your link here. So whoever clicks that goes directly into a link which you have added for your email. So in next video, I'm going to show you how you can collect a email list or email form. I'm going to show you how you can automatically send emails to people whenever they sign up for your link or your website. I'm going to show everything how to collect leads and add this form in here. On this free version, you don't have, if I search for a form, as you can see over here guys, it's locked for us. The free version is not available. So if you want to add a form or linking form to collect emails, to collect leads, you need to subscribe and go for the pro version. If you are thinking to go for the pro version, you need to go back into the previous video and see the instruction how the pro version, how to install on your WordPress. If you want to change the color in this, you can click these three dots here, go into style, you go into background, and then you can choose a overlay sort of classic, you can choose a gradient, you can choose a video, or you can choose a slideshow, or you can just go ahead and choose a color. And the next one, you can go ahead and choose an image to put behind here. So if you want to choose color, if you just click that, and then you can choose whatever the color you want to add in this section. I'm going to keep it like that. Click update. So once you've done with that guys, just go and refresh your home page and just check if your footer is available at the bottom. As you can see over here guys, we got our footer section which shows about us, quick links which are all in here, and we got a contact us details in here. And the last thing we need to add guys is copyright. So we're going to click here, add a blank section here. And then we're going to search for, click in here, search for copy. I'm going to click this one and drag and drop in here. So automatically it's been updated with your name guys. And if you want to center this position, you can just align this with center position. So I'm going to show you how to interlink your contact us form as we done this previously in previous video. I'm going to show you how it's done quickly. So go ahead and update this section guys. If you go back into your dashboard, and then we went into customize. Now, as you remember, we went into menu and we created our menu. I'm going to show you how you can link this custom link here. You put hashtag contact, or if you're going to put contact us, you have to put a attached, or just put contact, and then the navigation label, the name for this label will be contact us. So it will appear in here, contact us. The link, the URL we're going to link up will be just contact. So I'm going to show you where you need to add these contacts. So if you go and hit publish, now you need to go back into your headers and footer section. Go into your footer section, edit with Elementor. You need to click into the 6 dots here, go into advanced, and CSS ID, you need to add contact because we put hashtag contact. So we need to add here this exact name what you add without the hashtag. So once you've done that, go click update. And then if you go and refresh your page and then go and hit contact us, it takes you right to the bottom, as you can see, to our contact us form. So you can do this to various different things. You can add a custom video link, or you can add any sort of link you want to quickly guide them to. You can just add them in there, and then you can put hashtag that name. Remember guys, you can't leave a gap when you put that hashtag. So you need to put a dash join us, or you just put hashtag join, but the label needs to be join us. And then you can add wherever you want to add them. You can just go into CSS ID and then add that exact hashtag name. You can even add for your buttons. You can add for anything you want guys. So when someone clicked that, they've been directed to where you want them to go. So that's it guys for the header and footer for the free version for Elementor. And next video will be on a form video, how you can collect leads, and I'm going to show you how you can use this software with email marketing. So you collect emails and you can send your latest sort of affiliate pages or latest offers or any sort of discount offers or anything you want to distribute and make money on it. So I'll teach you how to add this form so people can sign up for your website. So that's it, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.